Guess how many calories I burned today.
Does dinner count?
Ooh, burn!
Frickin' Summer here.
Of the girls with glasses, yes, we do burn food quite often. But that's not the only thing we burn.
No, thanks to Alexa, we are learning a bunch of new skills.
That's right. The Amazon Alexa, what can she do? One thing that we were surprised to find is that she knows how to give a good burn.
She does.
A lighthearted,
Yeah.
nothing too over the, too like third degree.
Yeah, you're not frying anybody. Just a little like,
Just a little roasting. Just to keep your friends and family humble.
Yeah.
Okay?
So we're really excited to have her as our co-host.
That's right.
Hey Alexa, let's try a blueprint.
With Skill Blueprints, you can use templates to create your own personal Alexa skill in minutes, including custom games, unique stories, household lists, and more. Get started at blueprints.amazon.com.
Right, we already got started.
We did.
We went to that website. We gave her some of our favorite burns. Do you want to hear some?
Did you say yes? I thought you said yes. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead, Alexa. Let them rip. Actually, we should probably tell her the proper thing.
Alexa, open mom burns. That's what we called it.
You again? I
It's
guess
us.
it could be worse. No, it couldn't really. Anyway, those jeans are so out of style. They're almost back in style.
Oh!
No, she didn't.
Oh, she did. She did.
Bring it on.
Who doesn't love a mom bob? Everyone. Cool mom haircut. Not.
That's a little
Harsh. Harsh, Alexa.
I like that outfit. I liked it better yesterday. I'm on a roll. Say give me that tough love. More.
Give
give me that tough love.
The 1980s call and wants its glasses back.
What?
Still feeling good about
Alexa.
yourself?
Just barely.
To hear more.
Give us more.
It amazes me how good you are at running. Late to everything.
BC.
I think we know who that one was for.
Okay, Alexa,
Feeling good about.
turn off.
Sure, be a wimp. Once you get over it, come back to Burner for more.
Wow. Wow, Alexa. She
Jeez.
brought it.
Bringing the heat.
Hard. So, to
Hilarious.
recover, I feel like we should try one other blueprint.
Right. Just to keep some feelings intact.
Yes. Alexa, open mom compliments.
Wonderful. Is that your picture next to best mom ever in the dictionary? You don't just look smart in those glasses, you are smart. Where do I subscribe to get more of these amazing videos?
Thanks for asking.
That's right.
YouTube.com/The Girls with Glasses. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Yes.
We hope you play around with your Alexa or go grab one if you want to get in on the fun.
That's right. Thank you so much to Amazon and to you for
And
watching.
And check the description. We'll put all the info down there
Yes, so
for
you can get into it.
you. All right, thanks you guys.
Bye.
Oh hey, if you want an Alexa with glasses to join the girls with glasses, you know where to find me.
Okay, good to know.
Very good to know. Yeah.